My favorite breakfast just got a makeover. This quick, easy, simple breakfast is absolutely delicious. Let me show you how I did it. We're going to start with some flour tortillas. These are some homemade flaxseed that I had in the refrigerator. In my Ninja top pan, I'm going to put some olive oil. We're going to sprinkle in some seasoning. I'll link this below, but I love this Lighthouse seasoning, especially with eggs and feta. So we're going to sprinkle that on. Toss in our tortillas. Set that aside. We've got our bottom Ninja pan. Olive oil or avocado oil, just a little bit. A little more of that seasoning. Some feta cheese. We've got our fresh gathered eggs. I like to sprinkle just a little bit of salt on top. We're going to carefully put those eggs in the bottom. Flip to air fry and start. With about 7 minutes to go, we're going to go in with that top tray in those tortillas. Look at those eggs. And I'm going to let those chips go for about 30 more seconds to 1 minute. Look at those beautiful tortillas. Put a few of those down on the plate. A couple of those feta eggs. And I like to top mine with just a little bit of this fermented verde salsa, but some pickled onions would be great as well. And this is my new favorite breakfast, maybe my new favorite Ninja Combi recipe.